Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode for app icons on iPhone. iOS 18 now lets us enable dark mode for our home screen icons. Since this is a new feature that Apple introduced with iOS 18, you need to ensure you're running iOS 18 as this won't work if you're on iOS 17 or an earlier version. To enable dark mode, long press anywhere on your home screen until the app icons start shaking. Tap on the little Edit option at the top left corner of the screen. You will see two options, Add Widget and Customize. Click on the Customize button. A menu will pop up with several options. You will see an Automatic button. If you click this, the app icons will switch from light mode to dark mode automatically when your iPhone turns on dark mode. Dark mode can be scheduled to turn on automatically at a certain time of day or enabled manually from the control center. If you want your icons to stay dark all the time, select the Dark button. This will keep your icons in dark mode regardless of whether your iPhone is in light or dark mode. With these steps, your app icons will have a dark color unless you manually change them back to light mode. This is a cool new feature introduced with iOS 18 that adds an extra level of customization to your device. If this video was helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.